see how good it tastes when I've chopped off this. Basically, we'll strip it off.
So guys, what are you doing?
Digging the weeds out.
Digging the weeds out. Fantastic.
I love digging weeds.
We're going to make our outside area look lovely, aren't we?
Yeah. But anybody let me get you.
Do we know what we're planting in here yet?
Right, well, no, leave the worm then. 'Cause
Do
don't
we
want to hurt it.
do we know what we're planting in here yet? Does any?
Well, Hope and Keelan and Jake have planted some seeds. Jake, can you remember what seeds we planted?
Yay.
Peas, good boy. What else? Can you remember? Oh, we didn't do any fruit. Radishes. What was the other thing? You know what? I'm not sure I can remember what the other thing was. Can you remember, Keelan?
Hope's saying beetroot.
Oh, thank you, Hope. Beetroot. Well done.
Those are these green things.
They're the weeds, aren't they, that we need to get out? Before we can put our vegetables in.
I'm just looking and look at all these weeds that the Year 1 children have managed to already get out.
It's all over there as well.
That's a lot of weeds. Well done, guys.